Suprabhat Monday. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'll be telling you all the features, pros and cons of Firefox Meteor 700c. So let's begin with the video. हे यूट्यूब फॅमिली फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. नमस्कार मंडळी, तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे तुमच्या लाडक्या भावाच्या चॅनलमध्ये. सो गाइज, टुडे आय एम रायडिंग फायरफॉक्स मिटिऑर 700c. So guys, here is the beautiful machine, Firefox Meteor 700c hybrid bicycle. The first and the foremost thing that I noticed about this cycle is that the comfort while riding this cycle is next level. You are leaned towards the handlebar so that you get that comfortable sitting posture while riding, and the wide handlebar, which is around 660 mm, gives you that wide stance so that you can intake or inhale the air properly without any discomfort. Also, Firefox allows you more comfort by adjusting the handlebar height according to your need. So here are the 10 adjustments. You can easily adjust the handlebar height so that you make your ride more comfortable. First of all, let's talk about the overview of this bicycle. So the body, the frame is made up of alloy, which makes it light in weight. The cycle weighs around 15 kilos. Like easily you can pick it up with a single hand. As a cycling enthusiast, we love our bike. We love to maintain our bike, and more beautiful the bike, we are more attracted towards it. Talking about the paint job on this bicycle, the paint job is quite a good quality paint job, but one thing that annoys me is that the welding marks. The welding marks are quite visible. Now let's talk about the graphics on the cycle. So as you can see, here is the Meteor branding, here is the Firefox branding with the logo, even here is the Firefox branding with their logo. On the front stem you get the Firefox logo, on the forks you get this green highlighters. So the Firefox Meteor comes in two different color variants. The one which you are seeing right now is dark green and light green combination. The other one is of dark blue and light blue combination. Lesser the graphic, more aesthetic the cycle looks. Now coming to the most important part of any geared bicycle, that is its drivetrain. So Firefox provides microshift at the rear as well as at the front. So at the rear you get microshift derailleur M21, and at the front you get microshift derailleur M22. These both are equipped with microshift shifters at the front. So here you can see microshift shifters. So Firefox Meteor comes equipped with 3/7 gear ratios. So in total about 21 gear combinations you get. At the rear cassette you get 14/28 teeth ratio. Now talking about the front of the bicycle, the first thing that you notice is the Firefox logo on the stem, which adds up to the beauty and the look of the cycle. Now here you get an adjustable suspension, that is you can lock as well as open, and also adjust the preload. Now you can lock this suspension while you are riding on a plain road or highways, but open it on off-roads. Also, this cycle is equipped with quick release at the front as well as at the rear, which makes it easy to carry and easy to puncture repair or easy to do any other work if you want. If some mishap happens, your tire get puncture or anything else, you can just easily roll on those quick release, remove the tire, slide in another tire, and you can go on your ride. Talking about the brakes on the bicycle, so you get front and rear mechanical disc brakes. According to my experience, the front one works fine, but the rear one lags a little bit. So the tires on this bicycle are from Compass, which is a good company, I would say, and the size of the tire is 700 by 35c. Now coming to the saddle is quite comfortable, I would say. It comes with the badging of Firefox over here. One feature that I loved about the saddle is that it comes with these markings, so that you don't always have to worry if someone else ride the bike. You know your mark, you can just adjust it accordingly. One thing that I would have definitely loved if the pedals were metal pedals. I know the plastic pedals helps in lessen the weight of the cycle overall, but yeah, the metal pedals are more grippy and gives you that confidence while riding in speed. Another thing that I liked about the handlebar is that these grips have the palm support, which really helps if you ride for long, or else your hand would get red. So overall, I loved the bicycle. It comes with this amazing look, which gives that ride appeal, as well as the amazing features that we get. Suspensions, lockable suspensions. You can also adjust the preload. You get those handlebar, wide handlebar, adjustable height for the handlebars. You get micro shifters as well. The paint job is quite good, tire quality is also good. So overall, this is a quite a good deal. If you are searching for a hybrid cycle, you can definitely go for Firefox Meteor 700c. This cycle comes under 30k, so yeah, if you are in that budget, you can definitely go for this cycle. So that was it for the video, guys. I hope so तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर काय करायचं, लाईक करायचं, कमेंट करायचं, शेअर करायचं आणि सबस्क्राईब करायचं. असे जे काही रिव्ह्यू व्हिडिओज असतील ते सगळे मी इंग्लिश किंवा हिंदीमध्ये बनवेल, कारण बऱ्याच लोकांपर्यंत ते पोचायला हवेत. तुम्ही शेअर कराल तर अजून लोकांपर्यंत पोचेल. तर चला, हा व्हिडिओ इथेच संपूयात. भेटूयात अशाच एका नवीन ब्लॉगमध्ये. तोपर्यंत स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे हॅपी. सर्वात जास्त तुमच्या घरच्यांची काळजी घ्या, कारण तेच सर्वात जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. सायनिंग ऑफ हेमंत राऊत. बाय. By the way, this can also do off-road. Whoa. So yes, this is the ultimate hybrid bicycle under 30k. Bye.